Finding unit rates notes. A rate is a ratio of two quantities having different kinds of units. In a unit rate, these quantities are then divided so that it is expressed per 1 unit. To find the unit rate, divide the numerator by the denominator and use the label of blank per blank. Summary text, 60 characters in 30 seconds. So if our rate is 60 characters over 30 seconds, this is considered a rate because we have two different kinds of units. We have characters and seconds. There's no way to make them the same, so we just keep it. Our unit rate is when we actually take our rate and we actually divide it. This long bar means division. We divide it. So this 60 divided by 30 gives me 2. So 60 divided by 30 gives me the 2. And it's characters per second because a characters is on top, then seconds is on bottom, and this per means divide. Okay, so if I look at this and I say $11 for 4 boxes of cereal. $11 for 4 boxes of cereal. So what happens here is we got to take money over boxes. We got to take money over our boxes. Well, how much money do I have? Well, it's $11. I put it over 4. And I take 11 divided by 4. I get 2.75. Well, with unit rates, you have to use labels. The top label is our first one, which is money. And then I have to do it per something. Well, what's our bottom label? Well, it's boxes. So it's $2.75 per box. Number 2 says 400 miles on 14 gallons of gas. Well, we always reference miles and gallons to miles per gallon. So I take the number of miles and divide it by per how many gallons. So it's 400 divided by 14. So I punch that in and I get 28.57142.857. But that's kind of messy, kind of sloppy. And it also says round to nearest hundredth, which is 2 decimals. Okay. So this is 2 decimals. We look at the 7. We look at the 1. Well, this 1 falls in the category of 0 through 4, which means that the 7 stays. 5 through 9 means you round up. Well, 1 is between 0 and 4, so it stays. So it's 28.57 miles per gallon. Number 3, $18.50 for 5 pounds of chocolate. Well, 5 pounds of chocolate, that's where I take $18.50 and I divide it by 5. Punch it in. I get 3.7. Well, this is money, so I have to have 2 decimal places. So if there's not one, you got to put 0 at the end. And I put money per pound of chocolate. LB is pound. Then I have 100 meters in 14 seconds, so I take 100 divided by 14. And it gives me 7.142857 and so on. I look at the 2 before. I look back, it's a 2. So that means the 4 stays. It gives me 7.14 meters per second. An online music store sells 15 songs for $12. Another online music store sells 10 songs for $9. Which online store has the lower cost per song? So online 1 has $12 for 15 songs. So I put 12 over 15 because I always want money per song. And that gives me 0.80 cents per song. On line 2, it's 10 songs for $9. So I put 9 divided by 10, gives me 90 cents per song. So I need to decide which one's cheaper because it's a lower cost, and that is on line 1. Harper bikes 23 meters in 5 seconds. Logan bikes 36 meters in 8 seconds. Who bikes at a faster rate? So Harper is 23 over 5. Logan is 36 over 8. Because I want meters per second. I'm going to take 23 divided by 5. This gives me 4.6 meters per second. Take 36 divided by 8. This gives me 4.5 meters per second. So who ends up going at a faster rate? Well, this one we want the largest. And so it happens to be Harper.